You won't believe what you can create with just paper and a few simple tools. Get ready to have your mind blown by these amazing 10 minutes crafts. Welcome to the world of paper crafts. With just a few simple tools, you can create stunning works of art. From origami to paper quilling, the possibilities are endless. Did you know that paper quilling has been around for centuries? This ancient art form is still popular today, and with good reason. It's easy to learn and produces stunning results. Origami is another popular paper craft that's easy to learn and fun to do. With just a few simple folds, you can create amazing animals and objects. It's a great way to relax and express your creativity. Paper crafts aren't just for kids. They're a great way for adults to relax and express their creativity too. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, there's something for everyone. With these simple techniques, you can create stunning paper art that will amaze your friends and family. From cards to gift boxes, the possibilities are endless. Get creative and have fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing paper crafts and DIY projects. Happy crafting, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to see more amazing paper crafts and DIY projects.